Fly it into the ground?
Just fly it. So it goes. It's gonna get pretty quick.
Oh yeah, we're already at...
I want to see it hit like 2.5. Watch this voltage. He's gonna hit 2.5. 2. I think he could take it to 2.2.
Still fly?
It's still fly.
Tell me when I should slow down.
2.2. Do you think above 2.2?
Yeah. It's gonna
Dude, it's analog.
It falls out of, no, but it'll fall out of the sky at like 2.8.
What?
Guys, just tell me when to slow down to conserve battery and try to like keep it going.
No. Don't conserve. Like literally just fly circles. Kill this battery. You're at 3.4 still. Man. This battery's chilling.
This battery's a race pack.
It's not that old. It was just tough as fuck. I'm surprised. How's it feel still?
It's not bad. I definitely feel a little bit of sag, but
Oh, sag, yeah.
yeah.
It'll fall out of the sky at 2.8.
2.8? No.
2.8.
This is a tiny battery.
Alright, so 2.9.
3.28, 3.25.
Oh my god, that's a terrible fucking look at that.
Oh, well.
The gap is so small, dude. It's only 27 inches.
That's what she said.
How many more laps do you think we got in me?
5.
Yep, sag is sagging.
It's sagging.
You can't
Yeah,
pull.
it's gonna start dropping real fast.
No, it's not. It's gonna hang. It's gonna hang. Keep hanging.
3.29. That's all 2.9.
Yep, there's 2.9. Keep going, Noah.
Oh.
It's gonna force you to fly slower. It's gonna force you to fly slower. 2.6, 2.5, 2.4, 2.3, 2.2. He's still in the air. 2! I saw 2!